because I closed the shop where I had this sitting at. I brought it here. I let it sit here for 3 months. Then I started it up. It ran fine for a couple of days, and then it started leaking fuel. And then it didn't want to start.
Huh? It's leaking?
It's leaking with the. Maybe you know more about it, man. I'm not very familiar with it.
Yeah, I've been around the block with these vans a little bit.
Another excellent gas. I mean, this thing's got a lot of years, but it gave me 32 miles a gallon when I was driving it. I've just put a new battery in it. See if that was it. Let me get the key.
Yeah, it's really wet over here, but that looks like oil, not fuel. So yeah, if you want to get the key, let's fire it up.
The leak is here. We were able to see, and the code is for this one.
Ah, okay.
Code for that.
Yeah. So possibly an injector valve body has cracked down in there, or maybe we've just got a loose line here. Engine has been regrounded here. Not the way I would have done it, but it probably works just fine.
And then it stopped. It started leaking. Then I went to try to crank it, and then it just threw me that error on the screen. I'm assuming it's protecting it for a leak or something.
That start error is part of the security system. The screen or the WSP up under here isn't communicating with the chip that's in this key. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right there. It looks good, doesn't it? 15 amp fuse just laying on the ground there. Usually a symptom of something. Oh, okay, there is a chip in there. That's good. So why is it not communicating? Oh yeah. Awesome. Yeah, that's necessary for the door lock, so that's disconnect, reconnect. This